Hey gamers, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about a frustrating issue that some PS5 users have been facing. The console keeps turned off. I knew it, a pain to deal with, but don't worry, I am here to help you to fix this issue. So, the first solution is check the cables and power supply. Turn off the PS5 console and then plug the power cable from the console and then ensure the power cable is not damaged, and then plug the power cable back into the console and then plug the power cable into a different outlet to ensure the outlet is not the issue. Then turn on the console to see if the issue is resolved. Solution 2, turn off HDMI device link. Go to the PS5 Slim console and then console home screen. Here scroll down to the setting option and then select system from the setting menu and then scroll down to HDMI and select it. After that, turn off the HDMI device link. Solution 3, turn off rest mode. Go to the PS5 console home screen and here scroll down to the setting option and then select system from the setting menu and then scroll down to power saving and select it and then select set time until PS5 enters rest mode and then set the time to don't put in rest mode and save the changes and exit the setting menu. Solution 4, check for software updates. Connect your PS5 Slim to the internet and then select setting and then system and then system software. After that you will find system software update and settings. Here select update system software and then select updates using internet and then select update to begin updating your system. Solution 5, check for overheating. Turn off the console and wait at least 1 hour and then move to the console to a well ventilated location where there are no objects on or next to the console and then ensure that all the vents are clear and have good airflow and then restart the console. So if you are still having trouble with ventilating, make sure that the vents are clean using a vacuum to remove the dust from the dust catcher. Solution 6, rebuild database. So press and hold the power button until you hear 2 beep and then connect your controller via USB cable and then select killer cache and rebuild database in the safe mode menu and then select rebuild database and allow the rebuild to complete. The PS5 Slim will restart on its own when the rebuild is complete. Solution 7, contact PlayStation support. So if none of the above solutions work, you may need to contact PlayStation support. They can help you troubleshoot the issue further or arrange for a repair if necessary. You can simply provide them your the steps you have already taken and your issue. After that, wait for some times and then they will provide you the troubleshooting tips that can help you to resolve this issue. So that is for this video. I hope this video has helped to you fix the PS5 Slim turns off issue. So if you have any question or suggestion, leave them in the comments below and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. So see you in the next video. Goodbye.